Yes, because we don't have drills like this back in the Philippines. We just have earthquake drill, but about missiles, so it's quite like alarming to read about that, and then yeah, quite nervous.
Actually, there's a lot of issues here. China wants to claim Taiwan, but the exercises between the U.S., Japan, France, Great Britain, they are very, we are very secure. We're very, you know, we are not worried because we are secure. We know that.